The Prophet of Allah speaking to Sahaba, he says, I see what you don't and I hear what you don't. He says, verily the heavens have squeaked and they have every right to squeak. What's he talking about, sallallahu alayhi wasallam? He says the seven heavens have squeaked. You know the seven heavens, my brothers and my sisters. You know, everything you see in this world, scientists tell us now today that we can only see a keyhole. We can only see a minor percentage of what's out there. The sun is supposed to be one of the smallest stars in our galaxy, and it's millions of times bigger than the earth. In fact, I heard one scholar say, he says, if we were given, and please give me attention, he says, if we were given 1 second to name every star in our galaxy, and our galaxy is one of millions. He says, if we were given 1 second to name every star in our galaxy, you ready for this? He says, it will take 300 trillion years and you still would not name every star in our galaxy. And the Prophet of Allah in another hadith, he says, do you know the distance between the first heaven and the second? He says it's a distance of 500 years. The Prophet of Allah is saying the seven heavens have squeaked and they have every right to squeak. Why, O Prophet of Allah? He says, ما في موضع أربع أصابع. He says there isn't room in all these heavens. There isn't room for 4 fingers, except there is an angel in prostration to Allah. And you think Allah needs your salah? Angels, from the moment they're created to the moment they stand before Allah Azza wa Jal, one continuous sajda. And when they stand before Allah, they say, oh Allah, forgive us, for we did not give haqq to your ibadah. Everything is in tasbih of Allah Azza wa Jal. And I got brothers and sisters walking around with a big chip on his shoulder. He thinks Allah owes him something.